In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to Bluehost hosting. By the end, you'll be confidently accessing your main hosting dashboard, the central place where you manage billing, domains, and server settings, so you can get straight to work without any confusion. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type bluehost.com/myaccount/login and press enter. This link takes you directly to the official login page for Bluehost accounts. It's a good idea to glance at the browser's address bar and make sure you see a secure connection before entering your details. This helps ensure you're on the correct site and keeps your information protected. On the login page, you'll see fields to enter your account information. In the first field, you can use either the email address you used when you signed up or your domain name as your username. If you choose your domain name, just type it plainly, such as example.com, without adding HTTP or www. In the password field, enter the password you created at sign up. Passwords are case sensitive, so check for capital letters and any symbols you included. If you're typing on a mobile device or a keyboard with autocorrect, slow down for a second to make sure nothing changes unexpectedly. If you previously linked your Bluehost account to your Google account, you can choose a quicker route by clicking Sign in with Google. This method uses your existing Google credentials to authenticate you. If you don't see that option or you haven't linked it before, no problem. Just use your email or domain and password as described. Once you're signed in, you'll land in the main hosting dashboard. Think of this as your control center. The billing area is where you can view invoices and manage payment methods and renewals. The domain section helps you register new domains, renew existing ones, and manage DNS settings when you need to point your domain to the right server. Server settings give you access to technical tools like file management, databases, PHP versions, and security configurations. These areas are clearly labeled, so take a moment to look around. It will save you time later when you need to make changes. That's all it takes to log into Bluehost hosting. Use the direct login URL, enter your email or domain with your password, or sign in with Google if you've linked it. With your main hosting dashboard open, you're ready to manage billing, domains, and server settings with confidence.